Hi, it's PS Taro. Hello, Sagittarius Placements. This is your mid-June love read. Okay, so, yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyari pa lang. Okay, so, yeah, let's start your reading. Some of you might be dealing with a Leo. Okay. Kumusta naman ang Sagittarius to Leo? Aray ko. Okay. Parehong fire sign. Oo. Kumusta naman ang inyong araw-araw? O, di ba? Anyway. Okay. So, let's see ano bang meron sa sitwasyon kung ano magiging takbuhan. Okay? Ng connection or relationship ninyo. Okay. So, ano bang connection? Ano ba ang current situation ng mga Sagittarius? The Devil in reverse, so Capricorn energy. Ten of Chalices. Okay, so may sabihin natin iba rito, may bumalik, may bumabalik, may nakikipag-ayos para rin sa family. Some of you, this is sacrifice. Okay, so let's see. Ano ba ang meron sa person mo, Sag? The Star. Pwedeng Aquarius. What's with the Star? The Five of Chalices. So I think, Sag, this person is trying na magkaroon kayo ng pagkakaayos. Okay, itong taong ito, sinayang nito noon eh. Okay? Lahat ng kung ano man ang in-expect mo sa kanya. Okay, the Five of Chalices, some of you, ngayon, itong taong to is in regrets, no? Okay, nagre-regret siya, nandiyan yung mga panghihinayang niya. So, ngayon, pwedeng yung iba sa kanila talaga is nakikipag-ayos sa'yo, trying to fix kung anong kailangan ma-fix sa situation. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, the Seven of Wands. Someone is doing effort, pursuing, mga ganyan. Okay? So, let's see. What's their next action? The Ten of Swords. That's healing. Okay, what's with the Ten of Swords? The Ace of Chalices in reversed. To heal, okay, kung ano yung nasayang. Yes, okay. Pero I think this is like sobrang mabagal. Okay, sobrang mabagal. Yeah, the Five of Wands in reverse. Ba, nakikipagbalikan to nakikipag-ayos to Sag. Hindi ko alam kung may makaka-resonate dito. Kasi madalas sa inyo talagang nilalayuan, iniiwan, no? Pero, yeah, itong taong to, ang nakukuha kong energy is yung nakikipagayos. Okay, ayaw na masasayang lang kung anong meron. Some of you, may anak kayo. Yeah, the Ten of Chalices is here. Gusto lang niya na magkaroon ng kasiyahan or happiness. Okay, sa union. Okay? Okay, anong magiging takbuhan? Anong magiging takbuhan nito? Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles. Slow. Okay? So, I think, hindi ito mamadaliin. Okay? Hindi ito kailangang madaliin, maybe. Pero, ang nakikita ko na magiging takbuhan dito is mabagal. Okay? May progress, pero mabagal. Okay? Pero, yes, syempre. Mas okay na yon. Okay? Mas okay na. Na maging mabagal kesa naman mabilis, pero mabilis ring mawala. Or mabilis ring aalis ulit. Parang ganyan. Why the Knight of Pentacles? Yeah, the Five of Swords. Okay, the Two of Chalices. See? Ay, this is nice. Oo. Ito talaga yung kaya nitong maghintay, kaya niyang maging pasensyosa Parang ganyan. Para lang maayos yung issue. Yung sitwasyon. Okay? So, asahan nyo, kung merong bumabalik, gusto nila makipagayos talaga, pero makikita nyo or mararanasan nyo is slow improvement. Pero okay na yun. Oo, okay na yun. Kesa sa mabilis, okay, tapos, wala rang din. Okay? Bakit mabagal? O siguro naninigurado na lang din tong taong to na tama ang mga gagawin niya. Hindi niya kailangan magpadalos-dalos, parang ganon. Hindi ka rin niya kailangang pilitin or hindi ka rin niya kailangang biglain. Parang ganon. Okay? So, anong outcome or advice for Sag? The Knight of Chalices in reversed. Why? The Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Okay, the Queen of Pentacles in reverse, hindi mo kailangan maging transparent or available sa kanya. Like, totally open. Okay? So, the Knight of Chalices in reverse, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Sabihin natin kung kailangan pahirapan mo. Yeah. Okay, tingnan mo. Yes, kailangan mo tingnan eh. Kung talaga bang ipopurso ka or magseseryoso. Yeah. Lalo na kung deserve mo. Okay? Kung deserve mo na ipurso. Mga palalaki, mga pababae. Okay? So, yun lang. Akin nakikita. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Yes, kauntian lang or short lang na read. Dahil napaka-simple lang ng energy na nakuha natin. Okay. So, Aries through Pisces. Okay. Let's see. Aries, they love you unconditionally. Taurus, they're being impatient. Ayaw nila maghintay. Gemini, pwedeng magpapakatotoo na or may mga sasabihing totoo or katotohanan si Gemini sa'yo. Cancer. Okay, some of them, they're still stuck, no, sa, ang tawag dyan, unfinished business. Andun pa rin yung parang mga issue, mga ganyan. Hindi pa sila nakaka-moved on. Okay? Leo, they want to commit. Yeah, some of them, they're attracted sa'yo. Virgo, they like you. They're attracted. Okay? Libra, some of them, they're not ready to settle down. Some of them, talagang, they're a commitment phobe. Like, hindi pa sila, like, totally ready. Okay? Para sa commitments, mga ganyan. Scorpio, they like you. And they want you. Excuse me. Sagittarius, their separation. Okay? Capricorn, healing. Some of you, there's a repeat, a comeback. Aquarius, maraming nasayang, marami siyang sinayang maybe. Okay? Some of them, they're not ready na mag-offer ng cup of love. Pisces, ang naririnig ko rito is pwedeng iniiwan ka na niya, lumalayo sa'yo. Okay? Yeah, the King of Wands in reverse. May iba kasi sa kanila, pwedeng gusto rin na sundan mo sila. Okay? Na habulin mo sila. Parang ganon. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for Sagittarius placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.